We're back. We mentioned this earlier as well. We're launching a series of reports this week called Who We Are, The Truth About DNA. As science has vastly expanded our knowledge about DNA in recent years, it has fueled a boom in the interest in genealogy, the study of who we are, where we came from. More on this tonight from our chief science correspondent, Robert Bazell.
Our genealogy goes out from there.
Jill and Mark Hurst have a long-time interest in genealogy.
So this is his grandfather, great-great-great-grandfather.
Collecting cards, letters, and images spanning 4 generations.
I'd like to think I came from royalty, you know, but as much as we've found is that we both came from relatives who committed murder.
Now the Hursts are employing the latest technique for tracing family origins, DNA technology.
Okay, here we go.
They send DNA from a mouth rinse to a company where for $100 to $200, the DNA is matched against databases from people around the world.
I think it's about potential, the things that this could tell us that we don't even know yet. I love that.
One of the largest databases is Sorensen Molecular Genealogy Foundation in Salt Lake City.
A lot of the people who are going to come to GeneTree are interested in their DNA.
It has so far collected DNA samples and family trees from almost 100,000 people in 170 countries.
I spent August in Mongolia collecting from 14 tribal groups within Mongolia, hoping that we can get a good picture of what ancient Central Asia, maybe 800 years ago, looked like at the time of Genghis Khan.
The DNA testing cannot tell you whether Genghis Khan or any individual is your distant ancestor. What it can do is tell you some of your relationships to large population groups and geographical areas.
Jill, we've got it back. Let's find out.
What is your DNA?
We were there when the Hearsts got their results.
I'd have never guessed in a million years that we'd been related to Russians. I'd have never guessed that in a million years. That is very cool.
Information that hundreds of thousands of people are finding to be a fascinating insight into their past.
Tickled pink. Pickled pink.
Robert Bazell, NBC News, Salt Lake City.